Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, we're diving into a powerhouse mirrorless setup designed for creators, travelers, and hybrid shooters. This is the Sony Alpha a6700 mirrorless camera paired with the versatile E PZ 16-50mm OSS lens, and it comes bundled with everything you need to hit the ground running. Let's start with the core. The a6700 brings Sony's latest 26MP APS-C BSI sensor, paired with the advanced BIONZ XR processor, delivering stunning stills and up to 4K 120fps video with uncompromising clarity. It's compact, lightweight, and loaded with professional features typically found in full-frame bodies but optimized here for mobility and speed. The included 16-50mm f3.5 to 5.6 OSS power zoom lens gives you silent, smooth zoom for video and crisp optics for photography. Whether you're vlogging, street shooting, or filming travel content, this lens provides the flexibility you need with optical steady shot to reduce handshake. What makes this bundle so valuable is not just the body and lens. You're also getting a 128GB SD card, a smart charger with an LCD display, an extra battery, and a durable multi-device Sony shoulder bag. It's a full creator's kit out of the box. The a6700's real-time tracking autofocus system is among the best in class, fast, accurate, and sticky, with IAF for humans, animals, and even birds. On the video front, you'll love the 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording, syntone, and the inclusion of a fully articulating LCD touchscreen, perfect for self-recording or overhead shooting angles. It also features dedicated AI processing to improve subject recognition, dual exposure metering, and silent shooting for discrete captures. Plus, it boasts impressive battery life and dual mic support for pro audio setups. Whether you're upgrading from your smartphone, switching from DSLR, or adding a secondary cam to your professional rig, the Sony Alpha a6700 is built to elevate your workflow. Don't miss out on this complete bundle. Hit the link below to grab yours and turn your vision into reality with one of the most capable APS-C cameras on the market today. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews right here on Gadgetverse.